My favorite coffee in the world, vanilla iced coffee. I love it. I love coffee. Hi guys, it's Lacey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how you doing? Let me start off by saying this. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Alaceia and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am 15 years old, turning 16 in September. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like it, I hope you grow to like me. Anyway, for all you BTS ARMY and K-pop stans and lovers of K-pop and like the different Korean music, this video is for you. And if you don't listen or like K-pop, just hope you enjoy the video. I hope enjoyable and funny. In one of my videos, I have my wall decorated K-pop and BTS posters and pictures. I'm gonna put everything back up and try to see if I can make it look better. Like I want to reorganize it, film it, cause like decorate my wall with me. I thought that would be fun. I might as well make a YouTube video out of it. So you know, that could be enjoyable and fun. I'm going to speed it up some parts in the video so like it won't be as boring. I have sticky tack and some already have sticky tack on them because I was too lazy to take them off. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Where's my Namjoon? Oh, there you are, the handsome boy. I'm such a fangirl. Like, man down. If you like BTS, tell me your bias. My bias is Namjoon and my bias wreckers are BTS. Like, they're all precious to me. I love them all. They make me so happy. Right here. Which one should I choose? It's hard. Okay, is this one first? Or should I turn around and I put baby boy smiling. That's what I'm gonna do. You guys can't really see what I'm doing, right? I have to tilt it up a little more. Oh, this is cute. Picture of Namjoon in his little shark outfit. Tell me how you guys first found BTS. Like, if you do listen to them, just I'm hanging up BTS photos. How did you guys find them or start listening to their music? Is that a cricket? Guys, I made a manga video last night. This video might go before that one or vice versa, but the manga video was so long. I started filming it at 1:50 or something 1 o'clock in the morning. I stayed up till about 5 o'clock in the morning filming it, and I realized this is gonna be way too much to edit because like each video was like came up in sections because Canon doesn't like let you film over 30 minutes. Each video was like 30 minutes each. This video is a lot, so I might put it in part. I talk way too much in these videos. I like how it has to be pre-filmed, so if I ever happen to don't have any more videos to edit, or like I'm busy with school, I'll just put up one of those. Tell me what are your top favorite songs from BTS? Constantly, I'll listen to on repeat. I love all the songs, of course. Are Serendipity, Singularity, Euphoria, Infinity, Magic Shop. I have a whole playlist of my top favorite songs. This photo is so cute. Adorable. I look nice in my mirror, but on my camera, I look like a hot mess. My camera shows me all my flaws. Also, guys, quick tip. When you go to someone's channel, I really appreciate if you don't put a go watch my channel. Like, I know what you're trying to do, and it's like, it's hard getting subscribers and stuff. But like, try to like seem genuine and like you actually might probably like the video, because only going there just to get subscribers, I understand what you're trying to do. It's sometimes really aggravating because sometimes the only posts I will see is like, I like your video, go support my channel. It's sometimes very aggravating because like, what did you like? I'll most likely probably go to your channel. If I see your name and your profile picture, I'll probably think you have a channel, but don't always just put go watch my channel or go view my channel. Like, it's sometimes very aggravating because sometimes that's all I will see. YouTube makes it a spam to where I can't even see your comment in the first place. And even if you do have something genuine, just try not to do that. Sometimes people just put sub for sub. Like, it's kind of annoying. Just letting you guys know. I'm sorry. Watch the Netflix show Black. It's a Korean drama, and if you do like Korean drama, truly do recommend you watch drama, because I already watched it and I'm rewatching it again, but with Amara, because Amara's like, she's really scary, so I'm watching it with her and she loves it. I'll pause it. I'm like, Amara, what do you think's going on here? She's so far off. It's fun to watch it with her. Oh, they're all beautiful people. And I love how BTS is so genuine towards their fans. They've been working at this so hard, and they finally are getting the recognition they deserve, and I love them so much, and they really so appreciate their fans. They work so hard to please people. They're finally taking a break. Finally, I'm so happy that they're getting rest, and like Namjoon is collaborating with different people. The boys are just getting the real like deserved break. Doing all this for ARMY and all their fans and soon-to-be fans that people are actually like genuinely loving them, and I'm so happy they're getting all the recognition, because like at the very beginning they only had like 50 fans, and now they're selling out all these stadiums. They're really being like supported by this such a big group of fans. As I was saying before my camera really cut off, that I'm so happy that BTS is finally getting a lot of recognition. They're going on top billboards and all of that beautifulness that they truly deserve, and I'm so happy for them as a genuine ARMY. And like I saw this one post that said for ARMY that us and BTS are like parallel lines. We may not ever cross paths, but we're always there for each other and never always support each other. And I'm like, that hit me so hard. Someone to talk to, so I'm gonna call my friend so we can just talk. Hey person, I'm filming a YouTube video. Are you cool? We've been knowing each other since the 2nd grade. Try to join Discord. Fine. Can I talk to y'all while filming my YouTube video? Hi guys, say hello to my friends.
Oh my goodness. This is Amara and her sister.
And introduce yourself, guys.
I'm Clarence, her friend for how many years?
8 years.
7, 8.
7, 8 years.
And yeah.
No, I remember you kept asking you want to be on my channel one day. And so here's your chance, guys.
It was loud. The intro was loud and scary.
So we were just right there on the phone, and you're like, can you talk? Can y'all answer? I'm like, okay. And we answer, and you just like,
Hi guys.
Hi guys, I'm Alaceia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Don't, I'm doing a wall shut up! No! I need something to talk about. Let's talk.
How we're gonna be in 10 years in the future.
10 years in the future? I'm gonna be in Korea, boy.
Oh, he just got sad.
Oh, you got sad? He's gonna miss me, guys.
I'm going with you, dude.
We gonna be gone, deuces.
Just a few more. I'm gonna get like 10.
What? That's a large number. I can't even go through a metal detector. So you have to take off every piece of metal you have. You only take off your keys. Wait, the rest of it until you take off everything.
Okay, so I have a question. Do y'all believe in aliens?
No, not really.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You planning on raiding Area 51?
No, I'm not with that. People lose their life on that day, bro. They're preparing.
They'll kill you as soon as you,
Like, what if it was just population control, huh? What if it was just population control and then people just show up there? The Area 51 massacre or something.
They're taking away the stupid people.
Seeing the plan people are making, like the Naruto runners, and then you have the have you seen that?
Yeah.
No, I thought the map was funny. It showed the Naruto runners and the different people.
I'm like, what is wrong with these people? Because it's like a trend now.
It's a trend on TikTok.
Since there's more than 2 million people going, they're actually preparing for it.
Yeah.
It's actually gonna happen.
But you know, it's always funny if only 16 people show up.
They're gonna die. Like either way.
People are actually going to go do that?
I don't know.
I mean, of course.
Online, there was a petition that said that like 100,000 people have already signed a petition to go.
Oh my
That's the first
god.
few days. There are millions of people going out.
Yep.
Are they trying to kill them?
It's population control, Amara. It's okay.
But that's the thing though. Do they even know where it is?
Yeah, it's in Nevada.
It's in Nevada, but they don't know where the aliens are.
They don't know where it is.
It's over the mountains of Arizona. Nevada.
People have gone. Like Area 51 is publicly known place. Like it's everybody.
Yeah, it's on Google Maps.
It's not.
But I'm saying, what is it? You know how like almost everything has bases, so they might have bases in different places.
But you know, it could be underground.
What if they release all the aliens to kill them?
They said, guys, they're trying to take you away.
Right.
They have dinosaurs and stuff, like they've been planting stuff.
No, guys, this was so funny. I saw this video on TikTok, and it said, so mom, we're learning about the Area 51 raid in our history books. And then the mom said, I was in there. And the daughter's like, really? Yeah. And the mom, she was like, okay, alien was twerking. It was hilarious. It was like, go walk Carl out. And the girl's like, Mom, Carl's acting weird.
So they actually got aliens out of the Area 51, right?
You just see a little green aliens walking around.
Yeah.
Everyone brings their alien to work day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want a slime instead of an alien.
You want a what?
Slime.
A slime.
Yeah, I want a slime.
I want a Stitch. I want a Liam.
I want a Stitch. I want a Liam. I want a Stitch from Liam. Yeah, that's what I want. I want a Stitch.
I'm trying to get a slime. Y'all shrimp that.
Why would I want some slime?
That thing can talk.
No, you know what? I want a pet that can talk. I want a cat that can talk, and it tells me everything it knows.
Teach it to talk.
But you know, I want to be Dr. Doolittle. I want to be able to talk to animals. But you know, what if animals have a code, and that parents broke that code, and but they actually can talk, and then other animals just have a lot of discipline to keep quiet. What if that happens? Get it? You understand?
What does that mean?
Yeah, like parents just broke that code.
There's some good lemonade.
Because that's how I accidentally deleted all my words.
Oh God, y'all remember the movie Lemonade Mouth?
Yes.
I never watched Disney movies. So
What? What kind of 2000s child are you? I always wanted the can too, but Clarence doesn't know what can we're talking about.
I don't drink it from cans.
It's a clear can and it looks amazing. A barcode. Oh, you want to be scanned?
That's what I said. I said he gonna go to park and get scared.
He can get scanned.
There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I keep coming back to you.
So guys, this is all for today. I'm gonna continue this video at a later time because it's a lot putting up my wall, and also I have a much more to put up, like different decorations like lights and all that. So I'm not particularly done, but I got up like a part of what I'm gonna do. And so if you liked this video and want to see more, comment down below and subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching my video, and I'll see you at a later time. Without further ado, bye. God bless.